Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with Proofpoint, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin investing in cybersecurity with Proofpoint, start by researching the company. Visit the Proofpoint website to understand their services and solutions. Look for the Investors section, usually found in the footer or main menu. Examine their latest financial reports, earnings calls, and press releases. Analyze their market performance and stock information. Next, open a brokerage account if you do not have one already. Choose a brokerage that allows you to trade stocks easily and provides research tools. Compare fees and account minimums to find the best fit for your investment strategy. Once your account is set up, fund it with the amount you wish to invest. Search for Proofpoint's stock symbol, which is PFPT. Review the stock chart to assess recent performance trends. Consider setting up alerts for significant stock movements or news. Determine your investment strategy. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? If you're ready to invest, place a buy order for the number of shares you want. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about any changes. Stay updated on cybersecurity trends, as they can impact Proofpoint's performance. Review your investment periodically to assess if any adjustments are needed. Engage with online communities or forums to share insights about cybersecurity investments. Stay informed about Proofpoint's developments by subscribing to their newsletters or following them on social media. This will help you make informed decisions about your investment in cybersecurity with Proofpoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.